Hi, this is Damond Nollan, and we are now going to do the audio video test of the HTC Evo, which is a 4G phone, also provided by Sprint. And we are doing this in conjunction with a test of the Samsung Epic, which is also the other 4G phone. So we wanted to use this video clip as a test to see what the audio sounds like, as well as video quality, and compare it to the other video, which you can find somewhere. I'll put a link here somewhere. All right, so now let's try going inside.
I couldn't even imagine like you putting in the phone because they did like email. I provide you like somebody with like if you were breathing where you might be able to
It's the money shot. All right, so we just concluded the video test both outside and inside with the HTC Evo. Now again, we are going to be using this in comparison to the Samsung Epic, which we also did on another YouTube episode. So in any case, just want to give you a heads up. Take a look at it. Let me know what your thoughts are. Good, bad, or other. Do you like the Evo? Or do you like the Epic? Or which way do you go? Love to get your thoughts. Let me know how I can help you. And we will see you next time. This is Damond Nollan with DamondNollan.com.